Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and Beyond Meat, ticker symbol BYND, is sizzling after Yum Brands, ticker symbol Yum, YUM, their KFC brand announced that it will launch plant-based meatless chicken on its menu next week for a limited time. KFC is optimistic that after successful test trials of the meatless chicken over the past 2 years, and in light of consumers' emphasis on eating healthier, now is a great time to roll out a meatless option. Also, with New Year's resolutions fresh on people's minds, the timing could not be better. With stocks selling off one day and gaining the next, wouldn't it be great to know what the top 10 stocks are in categories like value, growth, dividend, and momentum? Well, great news. We just uploaded our top 10 stocks list for each of those four categories. That's over 40 high quality stocks ready to choose from that are constantly updated, so you always have the best names available. Click the first link in the description and become a member to get instant access to our top 10 value, growth, dividend, and momentum stocks, and so much more. We've done the research so you don't have to. After Beyond Meat inked a deal with Yum Brands back in early 2021, it quickly launched a permanent item on the menu of another Yum brand, Pizza Hut UK, in July, followed by a limited time offering for US-based Pizza Huts a few months later. Despite the initial success in penetrating the quick service restaurant industry, U.S. food service revenue still fell 7% year over year in Q3. However, Beyond Meat's plant-based pepperoni option was available in only 70 Pizza Hut locations in 5 U.S. markets during Q3, about 1% of total domestic Pizza Huts. Therefore, Beyond Meat's U.S. food service revenues could quickly rebound as the company expands its options into more restaurants. In addition, Beyond Meat has only just begun to aggressively lean into the food service industry. Beyond Meat noted in early November that it was expanding its test with Panda Express to 70 different restaurants across 10 different markets. Also, McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD, is currently testing the McPlant burger. That's right, the McPlant burger in Austria, the Netherlands, and the UK, as well as at a few locations in the US. Another Yum brand, Taco Bell, squashed rumors that it had stopped testing Beyond Meat in December, making Yum Brands' largest US brand by location another possible destination for Beyond Meat launch in 2022. However, even with 2022 shaping up to be the year Beyond Meat greatly expands into food service offerings, restaurants continue to face labor and supply shortages. During Yum Brands' Q3 earnings call in mid-October, the company acknowledged labor tightness industry-wide. Those circumstances have driven wage inflation and caused staffing shortages that limited operating hours. McDonald's is perhaps unsurprisingly experiencing similar staffing shortages and supply chain challenges, both of which have created a deeper issue in opening restaurants. McDonald's expects this to continue throughout 2022. Also, aside from international chains like McDonald's and KFC, smaller independent restaurants that choose to incorporate Beyond Meat into their menus are shaping up to face even more headwinds. Nevertheless, the KFC announcement could not come at a better time for Beyond Meat. Its shares have halved during 2021, been cut in half. Just last month, the stock dipped below price levels seen at the close of trading on the day of its 2019 IPO. This year-long downward trend has made the valuation more tolerable at 6.7 times fiscal 2022 sales. Still, after a series of widening losses in fiscal year 21, profitability is not expected until closer to fiscal year 24. Bottom line, 2022 could be a solid turnaround year for Beyond Meat, especially thanks to the many potential menu offerings upcoming at major quick service restaurant chains all around the United States. I think as the pandemic begins to ease, labor availability will also follow, helping Beyond's Meat food service revenue in the process. Therefore, Beyond Meat acts as a decent turnaround play at current price levels. I'll bet with significant risks, as Omicron could weigh on food service sales, especially over the next 2 quarters. Well, that's what I think about Beyond Meat right now. Let me know in the comments what you think about Beyond Meat. And remember, your comments make these videos so much better. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.